Hello students, welcome back to your channel again. That is Aabeg. How are you? Fine, I am also fine. So dear students, yesterday we learned about the external body parts of our human body. Okay. Now we shall know about the internal body parts and their functions. And we have to know some another things that are mentioned in this board. Okay. So look at this. And at first we shall discuss about internal organs. So dear students, what are internal organs? Internal organs are those organs that we cannot see outside of our body. Okay? Internal organs are those types of organs that we cannot see from the outside of our body. And there are many internal organs in our body. What are those organs? Those are brain, heart, lungs, stomach, liver and kidney also. Okay. Now I have drawn some picture for you so that you can familiar with those internal organs. So let's look this. At first it is brain. Where does brain live? Brain lives in our head. Okay, it is brain. Where does brain live? Brain lives in our head. Number 2, it is heart. Look at this. It is heart. So, what is the location of heart? Heart lives in the middle of our chest. Okay, heart lives in our chest. Number 3, look at this. Okay, it is lungs, lungs. Okay, lungs are like sponge. Okay, these are sponge-like structures, and this fills most of the part of our chest. Okay, so what are the parts, internal organs we have learnt now? Number 1, brain. Number 2, heart. Number 3, lungs. And look at this. Number 4, it is liver. Number 5, it is stomach. So, what is the location of stomach? Stomach lives in our upper abdomen. Okay. Upper abdomen means upper part of our belly. Okay. And where does liver live? Liver is located side of the stomach. Okay. That is also our upper abdomen. So now let us know some function of these internal organs. At first, brain. So dear students, what are the function of our brain? Brain lives in our head. Why call we these parts as head? Because brain is the main part of our internal organs. It controls all the activities of other parts of our body. Okay. So what is the main function of brain? Brain controls all the another activities of another parts of our body. And there are another function also that brain do. What is this? This is brain collect the information as a memory. Okay, what we can see, what we can read, what we can study. How can we remember this? This is because of our brain. Okay, brain stores all the information in our head as memory. And number 2, what is this? I have told you about heart. So what is the function of heart? Heart pumps our blood, and heart pump our blood to all the other parts of our body. Look at this. Heart pumps the blood to all other parts of our body. Okay. Now the function of lungs. What do lungs do in our body? Lungs help us to breathe. Okay, lungs help us to breathe. So what we have learned right now about our brain, our heart and our lungs. Next part it is stomach. What is the function of stomach? Stomach helps us to digest. Okay, what we eat, they help us to digest those food. Okay, and what is the function of our liver? Liver digests our fat. Okay, liver digests our fat. And now it's term of kidney. Where does the kidney live in our body? Kidney lives backside of our belly, and there are two kidney both side of our body. Okay, and those two kidneys are also the backside of our belly. And what is the function of our kidney? Kidney filters and they remove the wastage of our body. Okay, so kidney functions as a filter. They remove all the wastage from our body. So now let us know about bones. Okay, so dear students, if we hold our hands tightly, okay, if we hold our hands tightly, what do we feel? We feel something hard, isn't it? So this hard thing is called bones. Okay, this hard thing is called bones. And its function. What is the function of bones? Bones give the shape of our body. Okay, bones give the shape of our body. And how can it do work? Bones can work with the help of joints and muscles that I shall tell you next. Okay, number 4. What are joints? Joints are those places where two or more than two bones joint. Okay, joints are those places where two or more bones joint. If you want to know some examples, I can tell you about our shoulder joint. Look at this. These are our shoulder joint. Okay, here this bone and these bones are joint, and so that we can remove our hand. We can move our hand, not remove. We can move our hand. Okay. So, what are joints? Joints are those places where two or more than two bones joint, and its function. Its function is joints help us to move our limbs. Okay, joints helps us to move our limbs or parts of our body. Okay, number 5. What do you mean by skeleton? Actually, dear student, skeleton is nothing but a framework of bones. In our whole body, all the bones are joined together and they form a framework like human or like another animals also. They are also a skeleton. Okay. So what is skeleton? Skeleton is nothing but a framework of bones. It provides us support and it gives us shape also. Okay. So what is the function of skeleton? Skeleton provides us support and skeleton gives us shape also. Okay. And now what are muscles and its functions? What are muscles? If we hold our hand, we can see something hard, and then after those part, bones, we can see something fleshy, isn't it? This fleshy part is called muscles. Okay. Muscles helps to work our bones. Okay. Muscles helps to work our bones. Now the question is, how many bones are there in adult body? So dear students, in adult body there are 206 bones. Okay, remember this. In an adult body, there are 206 bones. Now question number 8. How many muscles are there in adult body? In adult body, there are more than 600 muscles. Okay? In adult body, there are more than 600 muscles. What protects our brain? Our brain is protected by skull. Dear student, do you know what is skull? Actually, our brain is covered with hard bone type structure. Okay? Our brain is covered with hard bone type structure. This bone type structure is called skull. So, the function of skull is to protect our brain, okay, from outside effects. Okay? So, what protects our brain? Skull protects our brain. SKULL, skull. Okay? And what protects our heart and lungs? Our rib cage protects our heart and lungs. What protects our heart and lungs? A rib cage, RIB, rib, CAGE, cage, protects our heart and lungs. So, brain is protected by skull, SKULL, and heart and lungs is protected by rib cage, RIB, CAGE. So, dear students, today till now, what have we learned? We have learned what are internal organs. We have learned some examples of internal organs and their function also. And we have learned about bones and its function and how does bone work. Okay, what are joints and examples of joints and its function. Number 5, what do you mean by skeleton, its function? Number 6, what are muscles, its function? Number 7, how many bones are there in adult body? Number 8, how many muscles are there in adult body? And number 9, that is the final question. So what are those? Those are what protects our brain and what protects our heart and lungs. Okay. So dear students, no more today. The next part we shall discuss in my next video. Okay. Thank you, and if you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.